let's go. Okay, now let's go. Hey guys, how's it going? As you can see in the beginning of the video, I got my Borla ATAK axle bags in today in the mail, and I'm actually on the way to the muffler shop to get them installed. As you can see in my last video, I actually went over and reviewed the muffler delete with the H-pipe. You should go check that out because I did drive-bys and start and goes and the inside the cabin noises. It's great for the price. I mean, the muffler delete was $200, the H-pipe was $150. I mean, you're talking about a $350 exhaust system. But I mean, the sound for me was just real disoriented, and it wasn't a clean sound, and I didn't like it. And I do daily my car, and I drive it every single day on the highway, and you know, it's real nice, but it does have a drone in it, and it does kind of bother me. I know it's a muscle car, and I know it's supposed to be loud, but I mean, I decided to go with the Borla ATAK because it is the loudest of the three, and it should sound really good paired with the H-pipe. As you can see in all the YouTube videos that I've searched for, I have yet to find the Borla ATAK axle backs with an H-pipe. So if I'm not mistaken, I should be the first person to do it. So just stay tuned and I'll show you the startup once they're done installing the axle backs. It should sound good. I think it's gonna sound really good, but I guess we'll just have to see. So see you guys there. I'm here at the muffler shop. I'm getting the Borla ATAK axle backs installed. It is hot. It is 103 degrees today. This should sound good, so keep watching. Alright, so I just got done installing the Borla ATAK axle backs on my car. As you can see, it idles pretty good. But I mean, it's not as loud as the muffler delete. But if you stay tuned, in my next video is going to be a more in-depth video of the exhaust. It's going to be some takeoffs, some drive-bys. It's going to be a real good video. So like and subscribe, and just keep watching. Thank you.